So welcome again. I want to show you finding the Fibonacci sequence given condition, given the condition. So this is the Fibonacci sequence given the condition that a0 is equal to a0. So a0 is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 1 and a1 is equal to 1. So you know an is equal to rn, like that. Rn minus 1 is equal to r raised to power n minus 1. Then you minus, then so all of this one will be rn minus 1, rn minus 2 is equal to 0. If you find, you divide both sides by n minus 2, and the smallest value of r, n minus 2, this n minus 2. So it will be r2 minus r, r2 minus r minus 1 is equal to 0. So I prefer you do finding r, you will find negative b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where now r1, if you substitute, this one will be, what was our b? This is our a, this is our b. So see, what is our a? Our b was negative, so this one will be 1 plus minus, all of this will be 5 divided by 2. So our, what is our r1? So what is our r1? R1 is 1 plus 5 divided by 2. That will be our r, that will be our r1, and that will be our r1. And what is our r2? What will be our r2? Will be 1 minus 5 divided by 2. So if given a condition, you are given a condition that a0 is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 1. So if you have an alpha 1 r1 n plus alpha 2 r2 n, so it will be, what will be, so our r1, if you substitute will be our alpha 1. What will be our r1? Our r1 was 1 plus 2 0 plus our alpha 2, or what was our r2 was 1 minus divided by 2, 0 was 0. So our a1, if you substitute all of this raised to power 0, will be 1. So 2 is equal to 0. Then if you substitute all of this raised to power 1, all of this raised to power 1, all of that raised to power 1. If you substitute all of this raised to power 1, it will be, so this one alpha 1, then you find negative 0.62 alpha 2 is equal to 1. So is equal to 1. So if you substitute, if you find the value of alpha 1, alpha 2, so alpha 1 is equal to negative alpha 2. what will be negative alpha 2. So what is that will be negative 1 plus negative 1. So that one will be negative 1 plus 62 x2 minus 0.6 to alpha 2 is equal to 1. What will be our answer? Negative 1.62 minus 0.62 will be 2, negative 2.24 alpha 2. We are going wrong way. Our R2 was 1 minus 5 R2. So our x1 x2, if you erase all of this, if you have an is equal to an is equal to an is equal to alpha 1 r1 plus alpha 2 r2 rn2. So if you take all this, if you take all this, so it will be 1 plus 5 by 2 x1 minus 1 minus this 1 minus plus 5 is equal to 1. This one was equal to 0. So you know that x1 is equal to negative x2. Our alpha 1 is equal to our alpha 2. Now here we will use substitution method of quadratic. So what will be our x1? So our x1, if you substitute, so negative this plus this, so negative that. If you take negative r1, so r1 will be 1 over root 5. Do not, I said the way we are going wrong is that we were rounding off. Do not round off until you get an answer. So our x2 is equal to negative 1 over 5. So our answer will be our an is equal to 1 over 5, 1 plus n minus 1 over 5, 1 minus 5, 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. So this one is n. So this is how you find a Fibonacci sequence. This is how you find a Fibonacci sequence given condition. If this one, I gave you the condition that a0 is 0, a0 is 0, and a1 is 1. a1, hope you saw it. A1 was 1. So that is how you find your Fibonacci sequence. Thank you, and may God bless you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.